Are you or a loved one having a hard time getting around the house, but don't want to move to a retirement or assisted living facility? Perhaps you're considering making your home more accessible so you and your relatives can age in place, but you're not sure where to prioritize or where to begin. If you're thinking about a remodel to help you stay independent in your own home as you age, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and we'll show you what you need to know. Hi, I'm Nikki, a designer at Lamont Brothers Design and Construction. I've been designing spaces to enhance people's lives for 4.5 years. Today, I'll guide you through the process of designing a remodel for aging in place, why it matters, and how to do it in style. So what is aging in place? Simply put, aging in place is the ability to live in one's home and community safely, independently, and comfortably by creating houses and homes that adapt to an elder population. While each person and home will have unique needs, here are some of the desired outcomes. Living comfortably in your own home as you grow older, remaining in the community you're already a part of, and maintaining independence and safety through a supportive environment. Why choose aging in place? First, familiarity with your community does not need to be interrupted. No need to find a new grocery store, community, or fitness center. Comfortability with a home you already know and the privacy that it affords you, and cost efficiency. Often staying in a home that is paid off or shared in a multi-generational family is less than the cost of assisted living. How to make aging in place stylish. There are many products available to make daily living more safe and attainable. Paths and ramps can be designed to allow access to the home or exterior living spaces. Increased levels of task and ambient lighting, as well as increased contrast between floor surfaces, countertops, and other surfaces, can help aging eyes differentiate between them to avoid accidents. Reducing glare from light fixtures by selecting those designed with a concealed bulb. Wider doorways can allow ample space for maneuvering with mobility aids, and lever door handles can be operated with less effort than a knob. Cabinet organizers can improve organization and accessibility throughout the kitchen and bathrooms. Induction cooktops are a safer option for cooking and often have an auto shutoff feature. Grab bars in the bathroom come in a vast array of styles and designs. There are even bathroom accessories like towel and tissue holders that can bear weight, just like a grab bar. Curbless showers offer a smooth transition from the bathroom floor to the shower, minimizing the tripping hazard of a shower curb. Shower seats allow for a more relaxing experience. Baths set into a deck surface allow for additional grab bar locations as well as a seat to transfer into the bath. Ready to explore design ideas to prepare your home for aging in place? Check out the article linked below for inspiration where we walk through different bathroom design ideas. As always, continue to inform yourself and stay tuned for more expert advice and valuable insights to guide you through your remodeling journey.